That's why I built this box out of other boxes that were smaller and Gorilla Tape. That's why I went to CVS and I bought 6 rolls of wrapping paper, each individually wrapped in plastic, and I used packaging tape to wrap the bigger box that I built so I could have fun with you. And then I put liquid latex all over my body and paint. And then I got a bunch of trash together out of the trash and I put it in the box with me. And then some people helped me get in the box. It was all my idea. I don't know why I yelled at you.
Sorry.
Because I thought it'd be fun. But it turns out that I don't know. I don't really know how to have fun. I don't, it's kind of fucked up. It's really sad. One time I was at this like Christmas village with my dad, and I was in college and I thought I was like really smart. And I told him all this stuff about the evils of Christianity and capitalism and stuff. And he was like, man, I think you just hate fun. And I kind of, I've made that my life's work ever since. So, I don't know if it's from a lack of like understanding fun, or I just don't like it, or why I did all these things that are just destructive and I think possibly evil. I think anything evil. I think this is evil. I think everything that I did up to this point was evil. So I can have fun. And I think that we all do that every day. We do horribly evil things so we can have a little fun. And that's just the death cult that we live in. We were just born into it. And we all have so much fucking fun just killing everything all day, every day. And doesn't seem like it's gonna stop. I don't really know what to do. I did this about it. Which I'm thinking might have been a mistake. But it's actually, it's okay. Because I made a video. And those are fun.